Okay, Fred Burrows, Swift Plumbers, and I'm doing a video inspection here. We had previously came out emergency and cabled this because the entire home was blocked up. PVC has been put in here previously, back when they switched from septic to sewer, correct, sir? So I'm just doing a little record of this. I'm attempting to open this blockage with my camera, and the reason I'm doing that is so we don't charge for cabling again and just for the camera service. So we want to open this and we want to solve the issue. Now, unless a cable machine would help it, like last week when I had a cap broke in there and I pushed it through, then it was worth it. But usually a cable machine doesn't fix anything. The camera actually helped me. I unlodged it, a broken cap in a yard. I unlodged it, and then I used the camera to push it out into the city. So in that situation, but that's very rare that a cable machine actually helps anything because it doesn't usually fix anything, but it unlodged the cap. Right here, we are blocked. And if this is a problem that cannot be fixed immediately, which usually it cannot be, I want you to know that single ply paper and body waste only, or you're gonna plug right back up.
Oh, that's single
Scott's
ply?
single ply. It's got to break into a billion pieces if it gets wet. You'll know the difference. And the reason I'm telling you that is I will likely tell you, see this? See that?
Yeah.
So what I just did is push the paper through the blockage. We're going to inspect this. This is all going to go down right here, and I'll have your drain line open. But right here where we have that blockage, paper is caught around it. It's not the paper that caused the blockage.
Okay.
We're going to find out what this is right here once the water all goes down and we can inspect it a little bit better. Okay? That water's got to all drop down. You could see it going down.
It's going, yeah.
Okay? It's actually going to drop down. So where this point is, approximately 8 or 8.5 feet away from here, what's happening is they've taken this drain line and made it go down.
Yeah.
What's interesting is the blockage is right before that fitting that goes like this, right? So we know now we just got to find out what is it? What's caught? Is there something caught there? That would be great because then we don't have to dig it up or anything.
Yeah.
Or is it something we got to dig up? But to be honest with you, it's right here close. It's before it gets deep. So it wouldn't likely be that bad of a repair regardless. But we're going to find out what as soon as I further open this. So I'm just going to kind of move that paper right through and get all that water in the house to drain on out of here.
I can hear it right here.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, you can hear that. That's good. It's not very deep. My camera wants to stick right there too. Right here?
Yeah, don't get it caught.
No. I certainly don't want to do that. But it's like a lip or something, it feels like.
Well, if that's where the county connected and they did mess up something.
Yeah. Oh, and you can actually see it, even though water's still draining. Look at right here. See your pipe?
Yeah.
Now that's interesting. And what we have here is really interesting because you can see where the problem is. You see where they made the issue? So this is the top of a pipe, and this is the bottom of yours. So instead of having a round opening, you've only got this.
Okay.
This is your opening from what we can see so far. So once all that drains down, we want to really look at that. But it was your paper that clogged it again.
Clogged it, yeah.
Yep. So in anything, so that's why it has to be single ply right now until this is fixed. Okay? But we're going to take a look and see what they did. How long ago was it that they did that?
The sewer?
Yeah.
Well, it's been up to a couple of years, but what's interesting is we had a collapse here, okay? We had like a little sinkhole,
Uh-huh.
and they came and fixed it for me. And
How long ago was that?
That was before we left at the beginning of this year, which would have been around Easter.
And they came to fix it?
They came and fixed it.
So this is likely on their responsibility, correct?
We had no problems before that.
Okay.
And after we got back here, now the wife was here for a little longer than I. I've only been here about a week.
So you've got internet and whatnot, right?
Yeah.
Email and text. So this little video that I'm recording right now from this area, I'm going to send you a link to it.
Okay.
So that way you don't have to re-explain anything if you can get these guys to watch it.
Yeah.
But it's going to be pretty cut and dry because we're going to locate that where we heard it right there.
Yeah.
And we're going to make sure we don't make this hard on them to come repair for you, okay? See that paper? See why I'm such a big fan of single ply? Look at that.
Yeah.
That's how thick that paper is you use.
Yeah.
Look at that. So all that water pressure, that head of water against this, it couldn't break it open.
Couldn't break
It was just too thick of paper. That's why I'm a fan. I don't have any stock in Scott's paper or anything. But right there, and that's where my camera head was catching on the way back, and I definitely don't want to go past that anymore.
Yeah.
Looking at it because my spring can get caught on that lip. So now we know we've got it open. We know where that is. We're just going to locate it. It's going to be right here where we hear it. Okay? Very easy. I'm going to put on my locator so we're not guessing.
You want me to get a rake to rake this stone out?
Yeah, let's get a rake out and let's get this, let's make sure it's a no-brainer. And then you're going to call the county and report this issue to them.
Okay.
Right? Yep. That way you're not paying for a repair. Okay, I'm going to end this video, and this should be the last video unless we end up doing any repairs or anything on this. But likely, as he stated, he's had the county out here a couple times and involved in this. So, and that is the connection right there. So I'm going to go ahead and send him this link, and they can sit through this long 7-minute video. I'm sorry for whoever had to listen to all my talking, but I try to explain things thoroughly.